Hey everyone, welcome to Arafat Productions. My name is Arafat and today I will share with you how to change a specific color in Adobe Premiere Pro. I have this beautiful video clip here. Now I want to change any of a specific color of it. To do that, we need lumitri color effect. Go to effects, search for lumitri color. Then you can just drag it to your video clip. We can also add it from Windows. Go to Windows and here is lumitri color. Open the curve option. If you play with any of this option, you get the lumitri effect on the effect control. So let's reset it. I want to change her shirt color. Click on this eyedropper icon, then select the blue color. We got 3 points, left, right and middle. Drag the middle point to the up. It will increase the saturation of it. Only this color. This is the before, this is the after. If you bring it down, it does the opposite thing of it. This is the before, this is the after. We can see another option hue versus hue below it. I chose the same color again. The process is same as before. Pull it up and change the color. Pull it down and change the color. You can also change the background color. To do so, select that background color using eyedropper. Now change the color as you need. You can change the skin tone color by following the same process. Hue versus Luma. If you want to make the darker area brighter and the brighter area darker, you can use this tool. To do that, let's give you an example. Select a dark area. Now let's increase it. If you bring it down, it makes the dark and brighten area darker. You see the result? This is the before, this is the after. This color and the background color is same. So the effect will change the both color. If you don't want that, we can mask out this part. Select pen tool from here, then mask that area. Check this box. Now click here. It will automatically track the targeted area. You can see Premiere Pro make a bunch of keyframe here. Let's render this area. Premiere Pro not good for tracking, but it did a great job here. If any point goes wrong, you can manually fix that, like this. So in this way, you can easily saturate, desaturate, change color, any specific video. So in this way, you can do those work easily. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.